Number 1. A piece of cake. It means something that is very easy to do. For example, the test was a piece of cake for her. She finished it quickly.
Don't jump, okay. Don't jump, don't jump. I'm gonna jump across with her and then you jump, okay? Piece of cake. No, don't, Jason! That's not a piece of cake!
Things have changed, Charlie, since you've been gone. Life hasn't been no piece of cake.
Perfect ain't been treating us too good.
Things are tough, but we carry on.
Piece of cake! Number 2. Break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a social setting, making people feel more comfortable. For example, she told a joke to break the ice at the start of the meeting.
It breaks the ice?
And break the ice, shall we?
Time to break the ice.
I'll break the ice.
How did he break the ice?
I'll break the ice.
Number 3. Hit the nail on the head. It means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. For example, her comment about the project's issues hit the nail on the head.
I think you hit the nail on the head.
You hit the nail on the head, Mr. Gustav.
God, you've hit the nail on the head, Hickey.
With your usual acuteness, you've hit the nail straight on the head.
You've
Hit the nail on the head.
Number 4. Spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret or important information by accident. For example, he accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party.
I bet Polly would spill the beans to that reporter.
Hey? Spill the beans, old cock.
So that she can spill the beans inside the department.
She could come back from the dead, you see, and testify, spill the beans, and it would mean nothing.
Number 5. Under the weather. It means feeling ill or sick. For example, she's feeling a bit under the weather today, so she stayed home.
A little under the weather.
He's feeling under the weather.
I like that. Also, I've been under the weather lately.
Under the weather? Yeah. How did that?
He said he was under the weather.
He's, under the weather a little bit.
Well, they're under the weather.
Under the weather.
Number 6. Hit the books. It means to study hard. For example, she needs to hit the books if she wants to pass her exams.
Shannon, Olive, go hit the books. They don't hit back.
Great! I'll go hit the books.
Well, I'll let you two hit the books.
Well, time to hit the books.
I didn't realize your rudeness was a direct result of you wanting to run home and hit the books, Einstein. What?
I understand freshmen really have to hit the books at Duke.
Hit the books, get the degree one day.
Why don't you come in now and hit the books?
Number 7. Bite off more than you can chew. It means to take on more responsibility than you can handle. For example, they warned him not to bite off more than he could chew.
And I know from bitter experience that if you bite off more than you can chew, you'll feckin' choke.
Maybe we're biting off more than we can chew.
No, it's important not to bite off more than you can chew. Or you just make...
He said for me to tell you to lay off and not to bite off more than you can chew.
Did you bite off more than you can chew?
Next time, you mother don't bite off more than you can chew.
Number 8. Go the extra mile. It means to make a special effort to achieve something. For example, she always goes the extra mile to help her colleagues.
Look, newbie, there's a reason that I can't go the extra mile with patients.
I go the extra mile.
Sometimes you gotta go the extra mile with patients.
We're looking for like a self-starter, someone who can meet deadlines and just pretty much just go the extra mile, I guess.
You don't have to go the extra mile.
Number 9. Costs an arm and a leg. It means very expensive. For example, that new phone costs an arm and a leg.
Air conditioners cost an arm and a leg.
This is an advanced computer system. Costs an arm and a leg.
Charge an arm and a leg for this stuff.
Cost me an arm and a leg. It's got GPS navigation, 200-watt stereo system, rear parking.
Which costs us an arm and a leg to rent.
Number 10. Burn bridges. It means to destroy relationships or connections with others. For example, he burned bridges with his old job by leaving on bad terms.
Hey, I don't burn bridges.
You were so smooth with him. I probably would have never burned bridges.
Today's junior prick, tomorrow's senior partner.
The ones who are determined to burn bridges.
You didn't just burn bridges, you torched, nuked, and salted the earth with them.